This video is going to show you an example of how you can prepare your students for a speaking test. If I take a pre-existing file and drag it into the player, you'll see that this file that has been created has an exercise window on the right hand side which has the questions that are going to be answered. As you can see here, there are 33 or so questions, and then on the left here we have the subtitle window. So if we press play.
Comment occupes-tu ton temps libre? Quelles activités fais-tu pour le plaisir?
If I click to answer now, je joue au football avec mes copains. And if I finish now, what we can see if I use the audio graph here, we can see that my answer has been inserted. Okay, so if I play that.
Comment occupes-tu ton temps libre? Quelles activités fais-tu pour le plaisir?
To answer now, je joue au football avec mes copains. Okay, so as you can see there was the question, a beep, and then the answer. And then we'd hear question, beep, and then I can insert the answer. So we can repeat as many times as we wish. So, to show you how this was created, I'm just going to go new. Basically, I recorded the questions, and the questions already existed in a text file. So essentially what I did was have the text file there, press record, and record the questions. I then used another editing tool to insert a beep between the questions. So if I open that file in now and close that, basically here we've got the questions. What I then did was take those questions and convert them into a file that looks like this SRT file. So you take the question, but you put in a number and then the start time, the arrow, and the end time. So when you want the subtitle to appear and when you want it to disappear. When you want the second subtitle to appear and when you want it to disappear. So to do that, I add subtitles. I can then import, and then this file, this subrip file that was created, which is the standard format, I pick that and open it in, and you'll see here that what it does is you can see it's got the start, end, and I can apply that. Okay, and then OK. What I also did then was open the exercise window, which is this side. I took the information here from a Word file, copied it, okay, and then just pasted it into this right hand window. Okay, so you end up with, when it's played, you'll have the subtitles.
Comment occupes-tu ton temps libre?
And you've got the exercise. And then at the end, all I did was save this as an MFF file, which is a multimedia file format, which is the Sanaco file format. So as you can see here, when it comes up, I can pick the name, I can pick where I want to save it. So I would save this as whatever I wanted, which I did, which was GCSE French, okay, leisure. If I spell it right, it will help, leisure. And then I can save it. And that's how I created this file to prepare your students for a speaking test.